Hey tubers, we'll get started taking this deck apart. I've been wanting to get on this for a while, so thought we'd get it started on it. Some of these nuts are, man, tight. We'll get to them though. Hope they don't knock the camera off. I better set the camera over the side a little. Old Merle on today. Hope you don't mind the Merle. I don't think you got it too. Wow. Man, that's nice. Maybe I'll get the breaker bar out on it. If some of you guys, gear wrenches, tell you what, way to go. Now I'm just going to put the bolts with the part that it goes with. Since I'm back to work, I don't know how long it'll be before I complete this job, but I'll try to work on the weekends. Pretty good shape. We'll get it out there. Easy wrench. You guys ain't got one of these, you need these too, I'll tell you what. Air wrench. Make it a lot easier too. I still like the air wrench. Ratcheting a little bit. That's really pretty good condition. A little bit of rust on it. Not much, just a little bit. The paint chips off. Do the old hook wrench. Lunch on my shirt. Anyway. Didn't have this lunch. If you guys do that or not. Tell you what, you really get a lot of leverage. Hooking a wrench in it. Gear wrench wasn't appreciated knowing that's how you use the wrenches, but that's alright. They're guaranteed. that out. There we go. That's how I use a Phillips screwdriver. Good shape. Okay. Got tools loose. Rubber over. Little PB. Good stuff. Show you what we got here. 500 had to get the torch out, do a little cut and weld inside the deck he was redoing there. I don't think I'm going to have that issue here. I think all I'm going to have to do is get everything out of here and get the bolts all loosened up, wire brush it out, prime it, paint it, it'd be fine. Okay. Turn you on the action here a little bit. That's so loose. Yeah, it's gonna move. PB, good stuff. That was loose. If we're back to 1,000, there'd be one to stick probably. Well, got them all loose, partner. I think. Yep, I missed one. Right here. Okay, found another piece of wood. We'll see if we've got enough ass or not. Probably not. Hopefully it's not quite as bad. There we go. That big one's going to be fun. See that? Whoops, sorry about that. Blocking you guys off. This one will let it soak a little more on the PB. Get a little more soak time. Just going in there a little bit. See what's going on here. Darn enough stick in there. Yep. Nice and tight. Good bearing. Okay, we'll let that soak a little bit and then we'll do the other. we got her. Struggle. 4-foot cheater bar. That sucker was tight now. I'll loose the bolts back up. We'll tighten them up a little bit. Okay. Wasn't that fun? Don't get to do that every day. Just about done. Get the last piece and take off. I think take that off. Well, know that is, don't you? Let me show you here in a second. Let's set this right here. Get it rammed up here. See what we got. There you go. Keep an eye on this. This is $500. Here you go, buddy. Beer 30.